Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by severing live connections so trackers lose real-time access. Turn on airplane mode, then re-enable Wi-Fi only to connect through a trusted VPN. This hides your IP. Next, systematically remove or sign out of accounts and revoke app permissions for location, camera, and microphone to stop background sensing. Once done, install a privacy-first browser and enable its built-in tracker blocker and private mode, so web trackers can no longer build a profile of your activity. Now you clean up the identity surface that trackers exploit. Audit every linked account, delete or deactivate unused ones, and consolidate where possible so fewer services share your data. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication with an app-based authenticator rather than SMS for better security. Then, use a password manager to generate long, unique passwords and purge saved form and autofill data from browsers and apps. This reduces cross-site correlation and credential exposure over time. To finish, lock down the network and verify everything works. Log into your router, change default credentials, enable WPA3 if available, disable UPnP, and point DNS to a privacy-focused resolver. This prevents device discovery and DNS leaking. For sensitive tasks, chain a reputable VPN with Tor where appropriate, and place EOT devices on a guest network so they can't fingerprint your main devices. Finally, run a privacy audit. Clear caches, check permission lists, and monitor accounts for odd activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.